Guys, welcome back to Market Keys, and today I will be doing a review of City Traders Imperium. Now, many of you are interested in prop firm trading, and many of you want to trade other people's money, and that's why you want to sign up for these programs, you want to get funded, and you want to be able to make bigger profits. All right, because the more capital you're able to trade with, the more profits you'll be able to make. Now, City Traders Imperium has been around for, well, 2015 or thereabout, but their their prop firm is not really popular because they don't really have a lot of hype around them, to be honest with you. And also, they're they they have certain parameters that many traders don't like. They have a lot of restrictions, and they do have a lot of um, yeah, they just have a lot of stuff that people really don't like. But I think it's a great prop trading company because of how easy it is to pass their program. Now, City Traders Imperium is more suited for swing traders, in my opinion. And well, let me just go over to their particular part on their website so that I can show you. Let me go over the funded trader program so that you guys can actually see a step by step breakdown of their programs and what exactly they offer. All right, so let me just get right into the meat of the matter. The the main thing about City Trader Imperium is the evaluation pass requirement that they have. Okay, so their evaluation pass requirement is only 6%. Okay, because I'm sure most of you guys have heard about companies like FTMO, for example. FTMO has like a 10% target that you have to meet in order to get funded. All right, so for example, you try to get a $25,000 evaluation account. You have to make 10% in order to pass the evaluation and go to the next round, okay, which is $2,500. And once you pass that evaluation, you have to go through another step, which is a verification. And then you have to pass that before you can become an FTMO funded trader. So it's like one, two, yeah, it's basically two steps. Okay, so you have to pass two steps and then you're finally a funded trader. And it's the same thing with other companies like my Forex funds and other um, prop firms. It's a two-step thing: phase one, phase two. The good thing about City Traders Imperium is that it's only one phase. So once you pass this first phase, then that's it. Okay, you become funded. All right, so that's the first thing. The second thing is that City Traders Imperium is one of the only prop firms where you actually get a real account to trade with immediately. So, for example, if you want to try to get a $20,000 funded account, they will give you a real account with $5,000. Okay, this is not a demo account, this is a real account with real money. Okay, and you have to hit the profit target on this account in order to get the $20,000 funded account. All right, so let that sink in. FTMO, my Forex funds, all of them, they're good companies, but the trading environment is different because they use demo accounts, okay, to for the evaluation for the traders. So you're not really using real money from the beginning. So City Traders Imperium, they're different because yeah, they actually do fund your account, and you have to trade this funded account in order to get the bigger account that you really want. All right. So yeah, you'll get a $5,000 account. You have to hit a target of only 6%. Okay. Your target is only 6%. FTMO is 10%. My Forex funds is 8%. City Traders Imperium is only 6%. All right. So that is why I like them, because their target is easier to hit, and also you have a longer time to hit the target. So FTMO, as I'm sure you know, it's 30 days. Okay. Same thing with my Forex funds. Yeah, it's 30 days too. It's not here, but it's 30 days. Um, City Traders Imperium, you have up to 12 months to make this profit target. So from the get go, you don't have a lot of pressure on yourself to hit this target. With other prop firms like FTMO, etc., once you hit the once you have a time limit of 30 days, that by itself forces you to try to find trades in the market, and it forces you to trade when you don't want to trade, because you're thinking in the back of your mind, oh, I only have 1 week left to pass this evaluation. All right, so City Traders Imperium, they really take the edge off their traders, and it's a more relaxing type of environment for you to trade in. Okay, so yeah, profit target is very simple. The leverage, so the leverage is what many traders don't like. Their leverage is very small compared to other prop firms. But guys, with prop trading, you have to give and take. You will never get all the conditions that you want. You will never have the perfect conditions to trade. All right, so yes, FTMO has a higher leverage, but you only have 30 days to trade. All right, so it also depends on the type of trader you are. If you are a swing trader, City Traders Imperium will definitely benefit you, because you like to let your trades play out. Okay, you can hold a trade for a few days, a few weeks, a month, 2 months, whatever. It's all up to you. So this is the main advantage of City Traders Imperium, and I do highly recommend them for people who don't want to go through a three-step process to get a funded account, and for people who really want to start trading with a real account and do an evaluation on a real account from day one. All right, guys. So the link to City Traders Imperium is in the description of this video. If you have any questions, just write a comment. I'll get back to it. I'll reply. And if you enjoyed this content, just subscribe and like this video, and that will encourage me to keep producing more content like this to help you guys out. All right. Take care.